Hi, I'm Cindy. Welcome to my channel. I am on a year-long journey to developing new skills as an artist and bettering myself as a person. And my plan is to share with you my skills and what I've learned along the way. In my circles, it is well known that I suffer from mental illness myself. I am bipolar. I suffer from PTSD, depression, anxiety. Maybe you do not suffer yourself, but you do know someone that does. Please share this channel with them. The creativity is something I reached out to and I held on to with dear life. I'll be covering subject matters from greeting cards to landscapes, charcoals to pastels, acrylics to watercolor. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and share. Leave comments below of something that you would like to learn. And remember, let the creativity flow. Have fun. This is about self-discovery and self-improvement. Enjoy the journey.